Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's George. So on this video, I'm gonna see if I can figure out why this battery light is on. And here's the voltage on my gauges. And here's my scanner. Hopefully I can see that it's 14.5, 14.6. It's the second reading right there. And a fellow YouTuber, he had told me to check some wires, and that's what I'm gonna be doing on the alternator, because the vehicle charges fine. I haven't had any issues, but I'm gonna check some wiring that he told me and see what I can find there. So got the hood open already. So I got the engine running, so I got to be careful here. But this is the main power cable. This is the main power cable. And then right here, I don't know if you can see the tip of my finger here. I got a broken wire there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put this little jump from here to there. And it seems like my battery light turned off. And
I guess it let me see the voltage change.
Here we are. 14.4, 14.3. So it does look like it dropped about 0.2 volts. I was hitting 14.6 at times. So anyways, well, my light is off. Now the second thing to do will be get some soldering iron and some shrink tube and fix that. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the solder out here. It's just regular Ross & Core 6040 from Radio Shack. Harbor Freight shrink tube. Nothing fancy, about $2. Yellow wire. Probably about 16 gauge or maybe 18. Got my Radio Shack 100 watt soldering iron. It's seen better days. Extension cord. And the case for my GoPro here. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and solder that and see. So I'm just putting a little bit of a solder there on that piece of wire, make things a lot easier. I'm going to do the same thing on this yellow wire now. Okay, it looks pretty good. Ooh, the alternator's kind of hot. So I think that'll hold right there. Now I get some shrink tube. ahead and slide that down. And you can use a heat gun or a lighter. And that's just temporarily. I'll get my my lighter out here in a few minutes. And once again, I'm going to do the same thing. All right. As y'all can see, it's soldered on there pretty good. I'm gonna let that cool down, heat this shrink tube up, and then slide this one over. So I'm gonna go get a lighter. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I got this cheapo lighter here. I'm going to slide this piece over. Heat it up. And that should do it. And I'll just go ahead and wrap this material back on here, put some tape, and that should be good.